this renamed in Jay's honor is unbelievable to me because I know how much it would mean to him to have all you guys, his whole Big Wave Brotherhood standing here.
For those of you who don't know, there was an incredible process that went on trying to figure out how to identify this event, how to put it together and what to do with it. And what came about is what you see before you. It is the most awesome, unbelievable assembly of big wave riders and incredible human beings that there's ever been collected.
Life tends to surprise your own in new rise high. I'm the same size, holding on to a little bit of love. Your smile's getting bigger. I'm still trying to figure out if I should keep holding on to a little bit of love. Time is gone, how moving along, singing this song, holding on to a little bit of love. Fall leaves falling down, back to another rough year on the ground. I'm airplane bound, holding on to a little bit of love. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-boom.